Namaskar. Today we are going to study about popliteal fossa. Popliteal fossa is shallow depression which lies behind knee. Here in this video you can see this is popliteal fossa. It is diamond in shape and it has got four boundaries. This is superomedial boundaries, this is superolateral boundaries, this is inferomedial boundary, and this is inferolateral boundaries. Here in this video you can see this is biceps femoris muscle. It takes origin from ischial tuberosity and it runs downward and laterally, and here inferiorly it inserted at the head of fibula. And this is semitendinosus muscle. It also takes origin from ischial tuberosity. It runs downward and inferiorly it attaches at the upper part of medial surface of shaft of tibia. Here you can see the attachment. And another muscles, this is semimembranosus muscle. It also takes origin from ischial tuberosity and it runs downward and inferiorly it inserted at the posterior surface of medial condyle of tibia. Here you can see semitendinosus muscles and semimembranosus muscles form superomedial boundary of popliteal fossa, and biceps femoris muscle form superior lateral boundary of popliteal fossa. In this video you can see this is gastrocnemius muscle. It has got two heads. This is medial head and this is lateral head. Medial head form inferomedial boundary of popliteal fossa and lateral head form inferolateral boundary of popliteal fossa. Inferolateral boundary of popliteal fossa also formed by plantaris muscle. It has got a small belly and long tendon. In this video you can see this is tendon of plantaris muscle. Here tendon of plantaris muscle inserted here at the posterior surface of calcaneum. Tendon of gastrocnemius and tendon of soleus fuses to each other and form the strongest tendon of body, and it inserted at the posterior surface of calcaneum, and this tendon is called tendocalcaneus. This is semitendinosus muscles and this is semimembranosus muscles. This is tendon of biceps femoris which form superolateral boundary. This is medial head of gastrocnemius and this is lateral head of gastrocnemius, and this is plantaris muscle. Now content of popliteal fossa. Popliteal fossa has got popliteal artery and its branches, popliteal vein and its tributaries, tibial nerve and its branches. This is common peroneal nerve, arises from sciatic nerve and its branches, some lymph nodes, fats and genicular branches of obturator nerves. These are contents of popliteal fossa. Here this is popliteal artery, popliteal vein and tibial nerve. In upper part of popliteal fossa, medial to lateral, popliteal artery, popliteal vein and tibial nerve. In the middle part of popliteal fossa, behind to forward, this is tibial nerve, then popliteal vein, then popliteal artery. In the lower part, most medially tibial nerve and most laterally popliteal artery and middle popliteal vein. In this video you can see this is sciatic nerve and it divides into two branches at the upper part of popliteal fossa. This is tibial nerve and this is common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve runs downward and laterally and its give branch. This branch is called peroneal communicating nerve, and this branch is from tibial nerve. This branch is called sural nerve. Sural nerve and peroneal communicating nerve here join to each other, and peroneal communicating nerve here continue with sural nerve. And tibial nerve also gives branch to medial head of gastrocnemius, lateral head of gastrocnemius, plantaris muscles and soleus muscles. Here You can say this is lymph node which is present in popliteal fossa. Now roof half popliteal fossa. This is popliteal fossa. Roof half popliteal fossa formed by skin. Then superficial fascia and contents present in superficial fascia. This is popliteal fossa. This is the thigh, and here a nerve comes from the medial aspect of the thigh. This is posterior division of medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and this is posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. It runs downward and gives no supply to skin here. This is small saphenous vein, and this is peroneal communicating nerve which runs downward and continue with sural nerve. So these structures form roof of popliteal fossa. Now floor of popliteal fossa. Floor of popliteal fossa formed by, this is oblique popliteal ligament. Oblique popliteal ligament, and this is semimembranosus muscles, and here oblique popliteal ligament is extension of semimembranosus muscle. This ligament runs upward here and blend with the capsule of knee joint, and it also attached at the intercondylal line of femur and popliteal surface. Another extension of semimembranosus muscles, it form fascia of popliteus muscle. Floor of popliteal fossa formed by popliteal surface of femur, capsule of knee joint, oblique popliteal ligament and fascia of popliteus muscles. यहाँ पर fascia of popliteus muscle को रिमूव किया जा रहा है, तो इसके अंदर आप popliteus muscle देख सकते हैं. Thank you very much.